Hey, are you looking to make money online? If yes, then I'm going to show you everything I know about making passive income, and I do make a lot of passive income just like you're seeing here. So what I'm going to show you is things like growing a social media account for free to more than 1,300 views every single month without actually doing any work. Building a new source of income and a new channel, starting from scratch and building it from 0 members in September to about 8,000 members 2 months later on November 4th. All this without spending a dime on ads, and all this without actually working on it. How you will be able to get 175,000 views on a piece of content online instead of having 0 views on your content. How I can do the same thing here with 150,000 people who saw my content, and here 120,000 people who saw my content. All of this without paying for ads or without actually having to do any social media, all right? Now, all these posts and all these followers allow me to build a super profitable email list. And I send these people over to a campaign just like this, and this campaign is then responsible for making me money. Check out these campaigns here. So just imagine you could send an email and have 8,000 clicks. Check out this insane rate. Insane open rate with close to 20,000 opens here and 12,000 unique opens. But more importantly, the number of people who clicked, and they made me money. All right, you can see here another example. So all of this combined, all this system that I've built is responsible for the passive income that I earned here. And today I've decided to do something crazy, which is I am going to show you exactly how I do it, how I build all these elements there for free. All right. So you normally have to pay tens of thousands of dollars to influencers or some guru to teach you that kind of stuff. And usually it doesn't work. Here, what I've decided to do is I created a playlist for you guys. So a series of videos, and you have a link in the description. If you click on that link, I am going to show you exactly how I build my accounts here, how I grow these accounts there, how I get all these views, how I set up my emails, how I write my emails here to get sales, and much more. Basically, how I make money online every single day, just like you can see here, and how I've been doing that for the last 8 years, guys. So, again, as I said, this is a unique opportunity. There is a link in the description. It takes you to another YouTube video. So I'm not taking you to a page where you have to enter your email or you have to pay something. No, it's another YouTube video. And that YouTube video, it's part of a series. And I will show you where to start. Because when you're a beginner, you don't know where to start. How you can get to your objective fast. There's somewhere you guys want to go, and you want to go there fast. I'm going to show you how you can do it using automation and growth hacking. And how you can do all of this, guys, without spending money on ads. I don't spend a dime for all this, okay? I'm not paying for ads or anything like this. This is all profit, okay? And the beauty of this is everything is automated to the max, meaning that I don't have to spend more than an hour a day working on the business to get these kind of results, okay? So if you guys want to learn from someone who has been doing this for at least 8 years, guys, make sure you just click the link in the description. It's going to take you to a free video series where I will break down every single one of these concepts for you. There's nothing you have to buy. You don't have to enter your email, nothing, okay? So I will see you there, guys, and I wish you a very good day. Bye.